guys. Yes, I am driving. It's insanely dangerous to be on the phone and driving, but this will be brief. I'm uploading a video all about my dip nails that I do. Put my window up. But, sorry. I didn't film an intro, and I really want to get this video up. So, this is my mini intro. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it, if you thought that it was helpful, and leave some requests down below if you have any, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye.
Starting out by filing the free edge of my nails, which are very short right now because I just removed some acrylics. Yes, that is a very short split nail, and it was hurting. Poor little baby nail. So anyways, guys, I am taking my e-file and I am filing the nails, making them like just a tad bit gritty so the products will adhere nicely and stay on for a longer period of time. I am going to find the nails that best fit my fingers, and I'll be applying that and then cutting them down to the desired length, which for me is kind of like mid-length. I like them to be a little long. Long nails or die, right? Been hearing that a lot lately. So cutting them down, and then I will be filing them, making the shape that I like, and I prefer a squared shape. So you can do this with ballerina, stiletto nails. You can do this with no tips whatsoever. This is a great method for ladies that don't want to have to mess with their nails all the time, because this lasts and lasts for a very long time. So filing them down. And after this, I will be doing a very important step with my e-file. You can use a regular file if you like that, but it's very important to file where the tip meets your actual nail. It's very important so you don't have a giant lump that will happen if you do not do this. So file that down the best that you can. Get around the corners and the edges, and make it to where it's seamless, as like I said, as best as you can. This will help you later on. So that's what I'm doing here, just trying to make one just straight as I can nail all the way down. These are the colors I'm using. Well, the color I'm using is a pink, and there's a primer there. I will be applying that after I brush the nails. You want to make sure there isn't a bunch of dust on there. Apply your primer to the natural nail only, not to the tip. And then once I start using, I'm going to be using, this is a brand, I think it's called ASP. I don't know, I'll have it in the description box. I got this from Sally's, and I really like this system a lot. So taking the clear, I will be first making a stripe across the nail where the tip meets the nail, just one strip right across, and then I will be dipping into the clear. That's going to give your nail this shape, that kind of like curved shape. Make sure you're always dusting off the excess, because this will stick to your nail base and top gel, and you do not want that. That brush will be ruined and that product will be done. You'll have to throw it in the trash. So continuing on, I am going like 3/4 of the way down on the nail in light thin strokes with this product. You do not need like a thick layer. You're going to be going back in multiple times. So dipping in again, and then tapping off, and then brushing off the excess. And then after this, I will be pretty much applying this from the cuticle upwards, and I repeat this step twice. So I will be, like I'm doing now, applying it. Make sure I am applying it evenly to the entire nail, so you don't have any gaps or any spots that, don't have any product. So again, dipping in, tap off, and brush off the excess, and repeat that step one more time, and then we'll be moving on to the next nail. And it's kind of repetitious, but the outcome is so nice and so much easier than trying to figure out acrylic. Okay, so that is the nail right there with just the clear on it. I'm moving on to my pink shade, and yes, it is ASP. This is the shade Dusty Rose. You're gonna wanna turn these colors. Don't really shake it, but turn it. And I'm going to apply this 3/4, again, the base and top gel, 3/4 of the way down. Evenly applying the product and dipping into that pretty pink shade. And, ooh, it's pretty. I actually applied a glitter after this and I loved it. I like those natural, like pinky and some nude shades. Those are my favorite. So again, applying this now to the entire nail from cuticle on up. Make sure you coat the edges and the tip of the nail, the very tip. You know, dust that baby off. Excuse me. And there is the first part. I mean, there's still more steps, but I'm going to continue on. This is going to just be showing you again me dipping in the clear, what I did, and I guess I didn't realize this is the way I did it. I did one nail at a time. So I applied my clear like I do 3/4 of the way, and continue to repeat this process. So I'll let you guys watch. I really like this, guys. I really think that it's easy and just fun. I love saving money and doing my own nails, and now I have like a collection of dip powders that's unreal. They're not really too expensive. I mean, I think you can buy like the starter kit, which comes with all the like polishes you need, and I believe it came with I'm pretty sure it came with 3 different colors. It was more of like a nude set, so it had like, you know, I think it had the white in there to do a French tip, and then a nude, and then your clear, and I'm pretty sure I paid $35 for it. And you can find dip powders all over the place. I have a red carpet system that I purchased from Ulta. I think this one, though, so far has been my favorite. It stays on the longest, and again, the one from Ulta was the same. It was about $35 or $40. And then if you buy the individual dip powders, they're about $10 a piece. But, you know, if you think about it, you're saving anywhere from $75, $50 to $100 each time you know, get your nails done, and it's taking time out of your day to, you know, go somewhere and sit there, and sometimes you wait and stuff like that. So I prefer to just, you know, take an hour out of my day when I feel like doing my nails and get the job done. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, it just saves time for me. I'm a mother of 3 beautiful daughters, so, you know, and they like when I can do their nails too. So I just think that it's fun. It's a hobby for me, and I really, really enjoy it. So like I said, I am just repeating the process. Sorry if this part is repetitious. I just wanted to show you guys how I do this, you know, so you can try it for yourself. You know, you never know. You might really, really like doing this like I do. finishing up this pinky. I'm getting ready to dip into that pink shade. I'm actually getting ready to change the color of my nails here after I finish this video. I'm debating on a hot pink or a red, so I'm kind of going out of my comfort zone, but that is okay. I usually stick with lighter shades. But me and my mother-in-law got some new stuff yesterday and some new nail polishes. Okay, here is the activating gel. After you're finished with that color, I'm sorry guys, I can't talk today. You are going to apply that activator gel. This is an important step because it hardens that product down and makes it like a nail. So you're going to apply that. That will come with your kit. Here's me and Larry being silly. He felt the need to jump in. And after that activating gel is applied, you are going to file your nails. I don't know if you can notice, but the nails weren't exactly, they didn't look perfect after applying the powder. You always have to file them down and, kind of recreate the shape that you want. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm filing the edges of the nails. I was kind of looking a hot mess on this day, so I kind of cut my head off. I had just worked a wedding, makeup and hair and stuff, so it had been a very long day. I probably shouldn't have even done my nails on this day, but I did. So really quickly, I'm filing. Just, creating my square. I know a lot of people are like, oh, square nails are out, but I don't know. I really like square nails and they're easy. Okay, filing. I'm e-filing the nails. I am just filing them down and making them nice and smooth. Trying to do my right hand with my left hand is always a challenge. But yep, I'm just filing at the cuticle and making a nice gradient from the cuticle on up so it looks like a natural nail. And I think they turned out pretty good, guys. Look how veiny my hands are. That is like such a family hereditary thing. We're all super veiny. Buffing the nails, that's very important before you apply any polish. You want to buff them and get rid of any residue, and it really smooths out the surface of the nail. So that is what I'm doing here. And this is the shade I used on top. It is a glittery pink. It's by Wet n Wild. I'll have the name, color in the description box because I don't have it in front of me, so I am not sure. But it's just pretty much the same color as the pink and the nail. The color that I used, the dip powder color, but it just had some glitter in there. I really like glitter on my nails. Always. I always find that glitter hides any mistakes. So I always use a glitter on top. I just think it looks super pretty. And then I'm applying my OPI top. This is a top and base coat. It's just going to give us some shine. That color I did not need to apply a second time. If you're applying, a lot of people apply their color twice, but because the dip powder, because the dip powder is, has a color to it, it wasn't really necessary. And there's that glittery glitter, just showing you. I'm applying this Out the Door Quick Dry Sesh V top coat. It just helps my polish dry. I really hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. I love you very much. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them down below. Chat with me. Talk to me. There you go. Nails, guys. I love it and I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.